yeah, come on. Great. Thank you. Hi guys, as you can see now I have this really nice smart lock that I received for event purposes, and I think that it's great because it has many different functions that I think that it's nice. First of all, you have a ring bell and video camera function by pressing this ring bell. As you can see, it rings, and in your app you get a notification and you have the option to make a video call with the audio coming from the door lock, which I think that it's nice. Obviously you have the passcode. I am looking at that. We also get a fingertip recognition pattern, as you can see, which I think that it's nice. And you can also set these RF cards, so you can just swipe them up and unlock it. So I think that it's great. And if any case the door lock gets out of battery or anything, you get these keys and you can just place them this compartment like this, turn it, and now we can open it like that at hand, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it has some very nice functions that you can obviously send different codes permanent or one time only, I think that it's a really nice option, and overall I will really recommend it. See you guys.